One of the things that really separates us from the other offices in the area is our in-house digital lab, where we have our mills and we have our 3D printers that we make things in-house. When I began this implant journey years ago in the early 2000s, all of this was an analog workflow. And for that arch that you're getting in a day would take weeks, because you have to mail it to the lab and take impressions and do all these things. And now we're scanning and creating and digitally designing these things in minutes, where it used to take weeks and days. Having an in-house lab allows us to reduce our costs, which reduces our cost to you. It streamlines our workflow and takes away chair time, which allows us to see more patients and take care of more patients, which also keeps our prices and our fees lower. Honestly, for an adjustment or something, Monday through Friday, we try to get everybody in as fast as we can. I jokingly say, how long does it take you to drive here? What I love about having this technology and the team in place is what it does for, not for me and the staff, but for you, the patient. We're not outsourcing these procedures and these lab cases, so we're taking care of them in-house. So the communication is from you to the person actually making it. You talking to the craftsman, the artisan, the lab tech doing the work. For your adjustments, we can get things done in minutes. Another advantage of having a full lab is we can polish, we can take care of everything. It's from our operatory to our laboratory, back to our operatory. To find out more about our in-house dental lab, give us a call at Dental Dentures and Implants, or visit our website, dentistofcharleston.com, and we'll be more than happy to see you for your free consultation.